He's eating a beetle, and he's developing more of the little fronds, I guess you'd call them. And the long, skinny things are what he uses to hunt with. He sneaks up behind things with them. They're very long. I think they might have been mistaken about calling these a Venus flytrap when they had them in a different environment when you bought them out of the Winco in mass production, but they weren't little Venus flytraps at all. At least not anymore. I don't know. They are from a different climate, so this is the best they can do right now until they adjust. Yeah, so these are what those flowers look like under the ground when they're not attached to, wound around something and mimicking it. What a little cutie pie, huh? Look at this. They're so long. And that's what I mean is that when you see them and they're all like wilted and everything, they're not dead. They're just returning to their natural shape. They're not. They're very smart. That's what the other end looks like. Where's that one that's always... Hi! Hi, like he's following me. Woo! With his little tail. He's following me. Hello! They like it when I do that because that's how they eat. Is they absorb things into their little, see their little, these things. See how he's got a little mouth open? It's heavy. It's all, ooh. Great.